I have lots of flat surfaces in my house, bar, end tables, those types of things, and they always just accumulate clutter and crap. You just walk in and throw your keys, throw your hat. I hate that, so I like to use things like this, a storage bin. This is a really nice woven basket, pretty decent size as well, to put underneath my coffee table or to put on top of my table so that all the stuff, all the clutter, all the things you would normally throw on your flat surface, you can throw inside of a big bin like this, and it just helps to organize it. So you can get these in lots of different colors. You can also fold them down if you need to get it into a smaller area, you know, the bottom shelf on your coffee table or bottom shelf on one of the shelves in your kitchen, or you can unfold it. You can carry it around with the handles, but these things are great. I love these things. It's just a nicer way to organize things and keep things contained so it's not spilling out everywhere. It looks nice. If you really need to smush it down to get it out of sight, if you want to store these, there are tons of options. These things, in my opinion, are really great. It's better than just throwing things around. This is what works for me, and I would definitely recommend it.